High-quality data is the foundation of a strong trading strategy. It's what fuels our trading decisions, so it's important to choose an established program and understand how your data feed works. So if you've come this far, well done. You're in the right place for quality data and learning to master your trading tools. In this video series, we'll walk you through Bodhi6, just started's new and intuitive data downloading program. You can trial it free for 30 days for any stock exchange we offer, and the data is compatible with several popular charting programs. For this video, we'll cover installation for a trial of ASX and World Indices data to use with EzyChart and Amibroker. But before we begin, to be trialing Bodhi6, it is best to already have or be trialing a charting program. If you don't have a charting program, you can trial EzyChart with Bodhi6. Just make sure Yes is selected under EzyChart on our website's trial form. After requesting the trial with the exchanges of your choice, you will receive a welcome email from Just Data with the link to download the software and your unique user ID and password. Once successfully installed, you will see a details screen where you enter your name and, most importantly, your email address. You'll also need to input a computer name such as desktop, laptop, or work. Any name will do. The reason being, you can install Bodhi on 2 computers. So if for some reason you change computers, it is easy to distinguish which one you no longer require. Once complete, click OK. Now I have received the registration details in my email, so I'll click on register and enter user ID and password and OK. You'll see various install files updating. Now we get to select the charting programs we want to use with Bodhi6. I'll select Amibroker and also EzyChart 6. As you can see, there are many programs that the data can be used to update. If you were looking for an ASCII CSV, you would scroll down the list to Microsoft and select one of these. To exit the window, just click on the cross. The Bodhi6 interface will display with, as an example, a watch list with just ANZ in it. Now we're not going to worry about creating watch lists in this video. We're going to cover that in another video in our Bodhi6 series. For now, all that is required is to click on Catch Up. The trial notification window will appear to let you know how many days left to run. Just click on Close each time you see this to continue. Bodhi6 will now download 6 months of ASX data to my selected formats. All you do to update the latest ASX prices each day is click on Catch Up, anytime after 4:35 p.m. Sydney time. If you purchase the software after the trial, the full 20+ years of history will be able to be downloaded. Thanks for trialing Bodhi6 and watching this installation video. Check out our next tutorial in the Bodhi6 video series, and if you have any questions, we're only a phone call or email away.